Hey YouTube, so I'm gonna have a pretty, like, I don't know, kind of grungy video. I got a nasty ponytail in my hair. My nail polish is chipping. That's like one of the nastiest things in the world to me. So yeah, I gotta go remove that. But I just wanted to do a quick update and tell you guys about this protein that I bought. It's called Nectar by Syntrax. And I know that I mentioned this like 2 months ago, and I still haven't even finished these samples yet, but I just wanted to tell you guys about them. They gave me 13 different samples, and unfortunately I didn't like all of them. There were a couple that I liked, but there's such a big hype about them that I was expecting that I would really like the flavors, and that wasn't the case. So basically what it is it's this little 1 ounce packet. For the whole packet, it is 23 grams of protein, I believe. It's 25 calories, and it is 23 grams of protein. So I don't know, what I really don't get is, if you're such a big company, why it says that a serving size is 1/4 of a packet, which would be like roughly 7 grams, like that much. And it says that each one of these 1 ounce packets has a it has 4 servings, but I was told by the company that 1 packet is 1 serving, and that's how you get the full 23 grams of protein. So I don't know, I think it's kind of weird, but whatever. So first I'm gonna show you guys like which ones I tried, and then I'll show you the ones that I still haven't tried, because I think I have like 3 or 4 of them that I haven't tried. The first one that I tried was, these are like my little empty packets. Grapefruit, pink grapefruit. I hated it. It was absolutely disgusting to me. And I'm not being paid for this review. I'm just trying to help whoever may or may not decide to go and buy these. And let you guys know exactly what I think of them. I spent $13, and like in order to get it, you have to call the company and tell them you want a variety sample pack, and they'll charge you 13 bucks. And then they'll mail them all to you in like one of those mailing, like the cardboardish envelopes. So yeah. And then the second one that I had was fuzzy navel. I wasn't, again, not a huge fan, but I mean, it was okay. It just tastes really orangey. You couldn't really taste any like peach flavor in it, which I didn't like. After that, I tried the cherry one. I was going to try to hold out for this one because generally I like things that are cherry flavored, so it's called Twisted Cherry. That one was pretty good. It tastes like Jello, like when you, like Jello before it's actually Jello, like when you have like the water in it. I don't know how many people have ever tried that, but I know like as a little kid I would go like to see if the Jello was ready, like stick my finger in it, and then if it wasn't ready, I would just lick off whatever was on my finger. So that's, I mean, that's how it tastes to me, like just undone cherry Jello. It's not bad. That was probably one of my favorites. Another one that I really liked was Apple Ecstasy. It's like a green apple flavor. That one was pretty good. I couldn't decide if I thought the cherry or the apple tastes better. They were both pretty good. That one tastes almost like an apple flavored gummy bear, or like an apple flavored Jello or Jolly Rancher or something. Like that's kind of the taste that one had. Then I had the strawberry kiwi one. I didn't really care for that one too much. It didn't entertain my taste buds. What else do I have? Oh, I had the Crystal Sky one, which is, I guess, their version of like a fruit punch. I thought it was pretty gross. It didn't taste like fruit punch at all. It tastes kind of medicinal. I didn't like that. And those are I think those are called just regular proteins. And they're just protein powder. It's not a meal replacement, just so you guys know. That's just a side note. I was told by the company that if I tried to use this as a meal replacement with bariatric surgery, that I would get really, really sick because I wouldn't get all the nutrients that I needed like I would have in a meal replacement shake. So, that's food for thought. The last one of these that I tried was the nectar lattes, and it only comes in one flavor. It's cappuccino. This was my favorite. Usually coffee flavored anything doesn't really impress me. That one was really good. I liked it. It kind of reminded me of like a cross between Starbucks, like the little jars of pre-made coffee that you can get, and Ovaltine. It was a weird mix, but I really, really liked it. And it's too bad that that's not a meal replacement. One that I haven't tried, and I'm really putting off trying, because I'm assuming this is going to be equally as disgusting as the grapefruit one, is lemon tea. I could be wrong, because I haven't tried it, but still have to try that one. Oh, the last one that I did try. It's part of the nectar sweets. They have like 3 different lines. There's just the regular nectar, nectar latte, and nectar sweets. It's vanilla bean tort. It wasn't too bad. Just kind of made it taste like a melted milkshake when I drank it. And with that one, I put milk in that one. The other ones I just put water. And then another one I didn't try yet because I'm usually not a huge fan of Oreos, but I'm thinking it could or couldn't taste pretty good. It's a double stuffed cookie. Didn't try that one yet. That's part of the sweets line. Another one from the sweets line is strawberry mousse. I'm assuming this is going to taste very similar to a like Slim Fast, the strawberry Slim Fast, where it almost has that flavor of like the leftover milk from Captain Crunch, because that's what that reminds me of. Whenever I've had strawberry Slim Fast, which was the only one I would ever drink for meal replacement, it always reminded me of like the milk that's left over after you have crunch berries. I don't know if it's anybody else, if it's the same for anybody else, but that's how it is for me. And then this was the last one I have not tried yet, chocolate truffle. That's part of the sweets as well. And what I was really disheartened to find was that, like, with the sweets, they didn't do any, like, sort of chocolate peanut butter, nothing like that. And one of the big things that I'm doing for my meal replacements, because now we are just over 3 weeks away from surgery. Today is the 28th of January, and my surgery date is set for February 19th. The one thing that when I took my information to the nutritionist that she liked, it's actually a meal replacement shake that I got from Walmart. And that was the one that, like, even though I had ones from xsport and I had one from GNC, when she looked at the carb content and the sugar content and all of that, she actually suggested that I go with the Body Fortress one that came from Walmart. Now, for that one, I bought that in just a regular chocolate, and I was adding peanut butter to it. And I'm pretty sure that was adding a lot of sugar. It was probably adding a lot of fat, but it was also adding protein. So I bought, this time around, I went to Walmart, and not all of them carry it. Like, Walmart Express will only carry, like, chocolate and vanilla. The Walmart Express by my house only sells vanilla, and I don't know why. and I've never been like a really big vanilla fan. I have considered though taking like the McCormick. You get like the little flavors, the little flavored McCormick extracts, and I've considered getting a vanilla one, and then adding coffee flavor to it to make it almost like café con leche, to see how that would taste. But, and also because I can't have caffeine, so I thought maybe that would be interesting, or getting that one and doing chai with it, like just a chai mix, because I have decaffeinated chai mix from Starbucks. I'm thinking that could end up being good, but I'm not gonna put all my eggs in a basket and count on that. But the one that I did buy, while I'm sitting here going off on a tangent, the one that I did buy from a regular Walmart was the Body Fortress, but it was in chocolate peanut butter. And I really enjoy peanut butter. I'm a peanut butter person. So I'm thinking that this one could be good. I haven't opened it yet, but I will. And when I do, I will let you guys know, because I'm definitely going to do an update while I'm on my pre-op diet. I'm going to be miserable and probably have an attitude for my whole video, but I will do that. I'm actually moving next week, so when that happens, I will do a video from my new bedroom and show you guys everything that I have tried. So hopefully I'll finish the nectars by then, because I don't want to move them with me. I don't want to move things I don't have to move. So yeah, I think that's it. I'll just write down like on a little piece of paper so I remember which ones. I'm not going to put the packages back up and show them to you because I'm not moving them with me. But I'll let you know how those other 4 taste. And yeah, I think that's about it. If you guys have, if you're curious about the Body Fortress, because again, my doctor's office actually told me that was the best choice of the protein shakes that I tried. If you want to look into that, you can go to walmart.com actually, and you can just put in Body Fortress and it will pop up. And I think for like a 2-pound jug, I think it's a 2-pound jug. For like a 2-pound jug, it costs $15. So, I mean, 2 scoops of the protein powder will give you 60 grams of protein, which for pre-op bariatrics, the requirement is a bare minimum of 60. Ideally, it's 90, but if I can get 60 in, they're happy. So yeah, I mean, it's got really super high protein and low calories, low sugar, low carbs. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, you can comment and I will get back, I'll respond. Otherwise, I think that's about it. Wish me luck. Bye.